I'm Cassandra Jones, and as a busy working mom, I love easy recipes that also don't require a lot of cleanup. Mexican quesadilla casserole is my go-to from Allrecipes because all we're gonna need is a baking dish and a frying pan. Let's get cooking. The recipe calls for flour tortillas, but we love corn, so we opted for corn tortillas instead. Make sure you have 2 cups of cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon red pepper flake, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 2 teaspoons chili powder, half a teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, but we love garlic in this house, so we used a little extra. 1 can of black beans rinsed and drained, 1 whole can of Kernel sweet corn drained, 1 can of diced tomatoes with lime juice and fresh cilantro, half a cup of onion, chopped green chilies, and tomato sauce. And don't forget, you're gonna need a pound of ground beef. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350. Next, we're gonna brown our ground beef and onion in a frying pan. Now that we've browned our ground beef, let's go ahead and add in the other ingredients. It's been simmering for about 5 minutes, so let's take it off the heat. It's time to assemble. The first thing you wanna do is spray down your casserole dish. Next, we're gonna add some of our beef mixture, about a half a cup to a cup. Once you have that spread out evenly, we're gonna grab our tortillas. It's okay if they overlap. Tortillas are down, we're gonna layer in another layer of our beef mixture. And now, we're gonna sprinkle on the cheese. Wash, rinse, repeat. Let's do it again. We've got it all put together, so let's get it in the oven. Put this beauty in the oven, and it's only gonna take 15 minutes. That is music to my ears. Are you ready for the final product? Ooh, look at that bubbly, cheesy goodness. What do you think?
Let me smell it.
Dinner for 3 is ready. So I think we're gonna chow down. Until next time, bye.
Bye-bye.